Now this is what y'all been waiting for. This is the finished product of the custom exhaust for the SQ4 that I just made today, because I'm not lazy and I don't want to pay freaking $1,000 or something I can do in like 2 hours. Just saying. So here you go for you DIY guys out there in the world. And then that is what you get right there. That's what you get. A nice custom exhaust in 2 hours. If you don't believe it's a SQ4, there you go. Bam. You got the tips flaring just a little bit. Just a little bit more than what it usually would be because it looks more aggressive like that. But hopefully y'all like that. Now this is like a little I guess a little rip for y'all. Give y'all a little rip. And that's what you get for 2 hours, you know what I'm saying? Time and effort, and paying for yourself with your time and effort, you know what I'm saying? So that's what you get. You get something very beautiful, and you can say it's your own custom exhaust, you know? So there you go. I don't know what else to say. Fucking like and subscribe if y'all like these DIY products. If y'all want me to release some videos on, you know what I'm saying, the stuff I'm putting together, like and subscribe. That will motivate me to upload the information and equipment that I use and how to do it. You know what I mean? If you don't like and subscribe, then I can't really help you out there, because you're not helping me out. You know, it's just a love relationship. You give me, I give you. All right, it's your boy Reckless Dragon, out with another one. Peace out.